Hi there, Shingirai here again with another update on portfolio performance over the past week. On a one-week basis, 9 out of 10 of the CBAM portfolios outperformed their respective benchmarks, and we've seen returns ranging from minus 0.23% up to 0.26% for CBAM portfolio number 1 and 5 respectively. In terms of negative attribution to performance, we have seen some pullback in the Indian equity markets amidst concerns that the equity markets may potentially be overvalued or valuations are a bit strained, where we've seen 77% of companies in the Indian equity market now trading at pre-pandemic or above pre-pandemic prices. We also saw some weakness there on M&G emerging market bonds, which is possibly contagion coming from some of the concerns around Chinese property developer debt and potential defaults there, and that would see M&G emerging market bonds down 1.6%. And then the story in Japan, Vanguard FTSE Japan down 1.07% on the back of uncertainty as to what would happen at the end of month parliamentary elections coming up at the end of October. There is some relief in Chinese equity markets amidst breaking news that the regulatory crackdown has seemed to subside for a bit, and that would see HSBC MSCI China up 4.49%, as well as Bailey Gifford China up 3.59% on a one-week basis. Switching over to a year-to-date basis, 9 out of 10 of the CBAM portfolios outperformed their respective benchmarks, with returns ranging from CBAM 1v2 returning 2.66% up to CBAM 5 returning 13.12%, and then here just seeing some slight underperformance versus benchmark for CBAM number 5 v2 of 5 basis points. In terms of detractors from performance, we have seen a relatively risk-on year, which would see gold and UK gilts being some of the bottom performers on a year-to-date basis, and that would see 91 Global Gold down 11.63%, and both the UK gold funds that we hold being down more than 7.5% on a year-to-date basis. In terms of positive attribution to performance, equity Indian subcontinent continues to have a strong rally, and as previously mentioned, 77% of the companies here are now trading above or at pre-pandemic trading prices, and that would see a brilliant run from Indian equity through the subcontinent fund from equity up 39.49%, and then US markets as well, quite a strong recovery on the year-to-date basis, up 22.31% for US large cap companies on the S&P 500, then up 21.53% for US mid cap equity through the S&P 400.